Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial we will know about how to apply dimensions. In previous video we know how to generate dimensions. We will know how to apply dimensions manually. For that, here is the option of dimension. This is 200 mm. Select this line and this line. Double click on this dimension for multiple use. This line, this line, thickness. For this dimension, I select this circle and this line. This is 100 mm from here to here. This line and this circle 100 mm from here to here. Now select here radius or diameter. I select diameter. I select this circle and this is diameter dimension. You can also apply radius dimensions if any arc here. I delete this dimension. From here you can also select the angular dimension. Suppose I select this line and this line 90 degree. From here you can also give angular dimension, and here is the detail view. Select this point and create a circle and move here. This is the detail view of this part. You can also give it some dimensions. Whenever here is the compact space, you can apply detail view and provide dimensions here. See here. Adjust these dimensions by dragging it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.